My name is Jake Kavalovic.
My name is Matt.
My name is Justin Sonic.
My name is Hannah Zawatsky.
My name is Titus LeMay.
My name is Jordan.
My name is Lori Consulman.
My name is Chris. My name is Ryan.
My name is Diane Datlinger.
My name is Sam, and I am the owner of Glenshaw Auto Service.
Gas. It's expensive. My truck takes a lot of it.
Yeah, I would say money. I mean, who wouldn't agree with that?
Time.
Time with my dog, because he's getting old.
Mountain bike frames.
Definitely money.
Energy.
Jeep parts. Suntan lotion.
Beer.
Beef jerky?
Definitely me or Ryan. It's tied probably between the two. But Jordan and Justin like to keep their areas clean. Me and Ryan. My toolbox always has a bunch of my tools piled on top of it. And I always leave some stuff laying around. I do get yelled at by Justin for that, but it is what it is.
Sam.
Oh, Jake.
Ryan.
I'd say that has to be Jake or Ryan.
Jake. Jake.
I think it's Jake.
That's an easy one. That would be me.
I would say Ryan. I could see that.
Also Matt.
Probably me?
I'm gonna go with Chris on that one.
Probably Ryan.
Ryan. Me.
Probably Ryan.
Probably Matt. He's very emotional.
Titus, definitely. Man eats like 4 lunches a day.
Titus. Oh, for sure.
Ryan. Definitely Ryan.
Ryan? No. Titus. It's definitely Titus.
Definitely Titus.
Definitely Titus.
Titus. Titus.
Titus.
That's easy, Titus.
I can. That's definitely me.